Welcome to Solver Fee.
Drawing the free body diagram of block B as I am drawing here. So draw it more carefully and write all the forces acting on it. Here it is FB, here it is NB, here it is T1, here it is WB. On going further, let W is equal to weight of block, FB is equal to friction force between block B and A. Mu B is A is equal to coefficient of friction, and B is equal to normal force between B and A block. Now going further, solving summation of Fy is equal to 0 or Fb sin 20 plus Nb cos 20 minus Wb is equal to 0 or mu b Nb sin 20 plus Nb cos 20 minus Wb is equal to 0 or 0.6 Nb sin 20 plus Nb cos 20 minus 30 is equal to 0 or Nb is equal to 26.203 Ib. Now going further, we can write as summation of fx is equal to 0 on solving minus t1 plus fb cos 20 minus nb sin 20 is equal to 0 or minus t1 plus mu ba nb cos 20 minus nb sin 20 is equal to 0 or minus t1 plus 0.6 into 26.203 into cos 20 minus 26.203 into sin 20 is equal to 0. On solving, T1 is equal to 5.8117 IB. Now drawing free body diagram of block A and B as I am drawing here. So draw it more carefully and write all the forces T1, FC, NC. Here it is block A and here it is block B, and here it is W1 plus W2 into C. Now going further, consider equilibrium of forces along y axis. So summation of Fy is equal to 0 or Nc minus Wb minus Wa is equal to 0 or Nc is equal to Wb plus Wa or Nc is equal to 30 plus 50 is equal to 80 Ib. Now frictional force between both block and surface Fc is equal to mu Ac into Nc is equal to 0.4 into 80 is equal to 32 Ib. As Fc is greater than Fb, so friction between both block and surface is more than friction between them. So in order to create motion, movement in block B is sufficient. Now going further, drawing FBD force free body diagram at pulley. Consider friction force between pulley. Now drawing it more carefully, here it is T1 and it is 90 degree and here it is T2. Now going further, we can draw the free body diagram as here it is WD, here it is 2D, T2, here it is block D. As we know that T2 is equal to T1 e to the power mu B, or WD is equal to T1 e to the power mu B. So WD is equal to 5.8117 e to the power 0.5 into pi by 2. So WD is equal to 12.7467 IB. That is our